What's up, everybody? You already know go. It's your boy B back with another video. How you guys doing today? I hope you're making money work for you, not working for the money. And if you are somebody new, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And today we're going to be talking about Max clones, okay? AirPod Max clones. Now, one thing I must say about these is they are flying off the shelves. I am so happy that people are loving them. And of course, you got people that are haters. You got people that literally, they'll be like, yo, Brandon, I brought the Maxes from you, but I thought they were replicas. So that's why I'm making this video again, to show you guys these are not replicas. These are clones, and the difference, okay? The replicas, they have Apple logos on them. These do not, okay? I want you guys to be understanding. I get it. We love, including myself, I love replicas because replicas, they've made me a lot of, forget you saw that. They've made me a lot of money. They have. And one thing I'll say is replicas are really, really good when you're trying to make money fast and don't care about actually receiving the profit, okay? And like, I know it sounds funny, but like, you still got people out here that are listing replicas, okay? They're listing the replicas. As they're listing the replicas, you can literally see that they're going to get their page banned or taken down, or at least restricted, because they're literally saying it's Apple. Bruh, you do not have an Apple product on your hands. You have a clone, basically. But the difference is you're literally having to list on eBay or list on OfferUp or even sell in person, knowing that what you're selling to them isn't necessarily what they want. Now let me dig deeper. So a lot of people that don't want to sell clones, but they just want to sell replicas, seem to be the people that want to lie to their customer base and say, oh yes, these are Apple. And they pay around $120, $150 for them, and they charge somebody $250. Bro, let's be clear. I get it. You're making a profit up front. It shows on your eBay dashboard. But I'm telling you right now, there's going to come a point to where you're going to try and take this off. I'm talking about the money for this. And you're not going to be able to get it. But this is going to be shipped to a customer. And you're going to be like, oh my gosh, they held my money. They're telling me I got to wait for 60 days. They're telling me I got to do this. But the customer got their product already and I don't have any money. No, right? I talk to people that get banned every day. I have an unbanning service where I help you get unbanned. I literally talk to people and help them. But what happened was I started to realize I'm adding fuel to the fire. If you don't know, I was selling Gen Pro replicas a lot. I was promoting them. I was putting them online and they were doing well. Like personally, I've seen a lot of people make money with them. If you are out there and you got my reps, you already know. You already know what it's hitting for. But the main purpose of me and my page is to help you make money work for you. What I started to see is, even though I'm giving you guys replicas, I also do see that I'm teaching you how to make fast money, but you don't know what to do after. You don't know what to do after you get the money for the replicas. Spend the money on something that you like, spend it on a trip, spend it on clothes. But no, you should be putting it back into a legit product. Yes, I said legit. AirPod replicas aren't legit. Clones, prime example. If you ever went to Walmart and you saw the On brand, the On brand, right? And TVs, prime example. I don't have any On TV in my house, but I got somebody a birthday gift a few weekends ago. It was a young child. I got them a nice size big screen TV, but it was On because obviously they don't really care about 4K and 8K and all of that, right? So I got them this TV. They love the TV, but the TV is not the same thing as that Samsung that is trying to replicate. It has the same look, but they didn't try and put Samsung on the box and then put On in parentheses in a small print, right? No, they literally cloned the TV, put it in the regular packaging that they chose, and sold it as on. But you still get the similar experience from both TVs, or from that Samsung TV to be exact. It's the same thing with this. You get the experience, but you don't have to literally try to finesse people. And we're gonna unbox, what y'all think? Black or blue? Black or blue? Let's do the black. Should we do the black or the blue? Should we do the black or the blue? Let's do the black. Let's do the black. So we're gonna unbox the black right here, right now. And one of the reasons I don't even want to be fancy with it. I don't want to put the unboxing on any type of different camera. I want to really just literally unbox it. All of them won't come in plastic. Obviously, before you're selling them, take it out of plastic, okay? I have it on the plastic because you don't know what warehouses and everything. You throw things around, boxes get marks on them and stuff. Plastic helps. Anyway, and also I do sell to stores, and stores do hang things up. So you got to understand, like, a lot of my products are meant for multi-purposes. Anyway, so you try to open it up, as you guys can see, and I always do this box test just to show you. The box is not cheap, okay? One of the requirements I gave to the wholesaler that was selling me these, and the person that actually designed these with me in mind, was that it couldn't have a cheap box. Why? Because the box is the first thing that the customer experiences, right? The first thing the customer experiences is the box. And if it's a cheap behind box, they're already going to have a messed up experience. Now, you open them. They come in bubble wrap. You could take the bubble wrap off. I put them on. Keep them on. The reason why is we ship these overseas. We ship them overseas. One, they got to go through customs. We got to make sure that we're as discreet as possible, and we're not trying to make it look like Apple. There's so many reasons why you want to get Max clones instead of Max replicas. It's not even funny. Do you know how many Maxes get held at custom and never make it to the customer? Oh my God, it's so much. So it has its charger, okay? And then let's take this bubble wrap off, okay? Let's take this bubble wrap off. So the weight, yes, it's heavy. It's not light, okay? It's not light. Take this off, boom. It has a protection on it, but it also has a leather case, right? So, of course, I'm not gonna say it's leather because it's not, but it does feel like leather. But I ain't about to, no, it's not leather. Excuse me. But this is the case, and the case is good. It's metal right here. This is metal. It has metal clips on the inside too. Let me see if I can show y'all. Here we go. Y'all see? All right. All right. And then take the plastics off, or whatever you get the plastics off. Here are the AirPods. They're not cheap. These, you can feel the quality. And obviously, when you try to put them on, they fit snug. I can barely hear myself speaking, right? I'm not gonna take this part off because the reason this is on, because we don't want somebody just trying on headphones. And the reason why, again, you have these on is because if you're a store watching me and you're doing a demo, keep these on because you don't want people putting their ears on other people's stuff or even your own demo. But anyway, it has the nozzles right here. The same nozzles that Apple has. The Siri feature is on here as well. It has the power on button. Again, it has the speaker for you to talk into right there and right here. It also has the charging cord, and it also has, I believe this is an aux, or one of the things that you hook up to your phone. It has that too, okay? So these, let me show you. These are the clones. These are not replicas. These are at wesply.com, and you can get these for $25. And guess what? You want to know my cost on these? My cost on these are like $23 and some change. I'm not making a lot of money. I'm selling these in bulk, but my biggest plan with this is to get people at the point to where they actually can get a product that they can sell long term and be able to make money. How much can you list this for? $80, $90. I would not go over like the $100 mark because guess what? That's the point of having a clone. There's so many people that want to look like they have the real thing, but not really want to pay that real price. Guys, we're in a recession. Well, we're not really in a recession, in my opinion, but people think we're in a recession. I think that it's picking up. But people don't have a lot of money, right? It costs a lot of money to live nowadays. People will buy this. You just have to position it in the right way, and you're going to succeed at making money work for you. I open everybody's opinion. I value the opinion. I try not to just display and try to say that my way of thinking is the only way, because that's not necessarily true all the time, right? Like sometimes it's like, bro, you have your insight and you want to sell replicas because you feel like replicas are going to make you the most money. I'm not here to stop you. I'm not here to change nobody's mind. All I can tell you is personal preferences and also personal results, how it has fared and how it has worked. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate and love you guys. Remember, I will see you guys at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. I love you like a fat kid love cake. Make sure you guys join the Hustler Reselling Academy down low. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.